Hi, I'm Simon, and this is AeroTune 7. It's pretty straightforward here. Just read the instructions. You set up your black box, browse a file. I'm going to pick this TBS 5-inch, and we're going to make sure prop size, battery. You're going to have to weigh your drone, know what your KV is. Hit the analyze button. It pulls all of the headers from your log file, so it gets the RPMs. It basically gets everything. And this graph's not showing correctly for some reason, but I mean, mainly it's not a replacement for PID toolbox as such, but I mean, it's doing exactly how Brian's doing it. And it's lowering the P first, holding D, holding the I. You can see the set points here. See the set point versus gyro, and pitch and roll, and then we get some recommendations. It's saying your roll P was 53, it should be 48. Pitch 56 should be 50. And the real cool one is the filter settings. It's nailing the filter settings because it's got all the data. It's in its high performance. It's a pretty seriously fast drone. Here, copy the filter changes, right? So it's going to copy this, and you'll open the CLI. Am I connected? Yeah. Open the CLI and paste those in. Just copy them, paste them in here, and reboots. And those filters will be in here, 60231. So it's working. Everything's good. There are a couple of things here. It's telling us to change the PID, which is it's good, but you're better off using this slider here, the tracking slider. So I've probably already done this here in PIDs here. So this is the tracking PI gain. I've moved it from 1 down to 9. As you can see, the P there's going up and down, so we're just going to reduce it. If you do it this way, you get to keep your sliders. If you copy these, when you open Betaflight, you'll lose your sliders. It's that simple. I mean, yeah, it's working really well, and it's important to do some of your steps, which I didn't in this flight. I mean, it tells you up here somewhere, fly includes some sharp stick inputs on roll, pitch, and yaw. Hold the stick, don't flick it. Kind of, self-explanatory there. Do some sharp movements. Do a punch out at least once. Disarm before hitting the ground. Land, check your motor temps. And then really you want to repeat this again a couple of times. And drop your your log file in. It'll tell you what to change. Make one change at a time. Fly again. Reload your log. Most quads dialed in free flights. Yeah, give it a go, guys. Pretty excited about it. It's taken me about 4 months, really, of coding with numerous AI agents, and feeding it lots and lots of information, and this is where I've got. It's getting better and better, but at this point I'm really excited about it. It's great. I mean, who wants to know all this stuff? I mean, Brian, he's pretty smart, and he's been doing it a long time. Okay, thanks.